Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off your iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 Pro or iPhone 13 mini. So if you want to switch it off, what you need to do is press on the side button here and with a volume up or volume down key. So press on both keys and hold. So press and hold like this. And from here, you can swipe across at the top. It says slide to power off. So you swipe across to power off the device. And if your phone is already switched off, if you want to switch it back on, all you have to do is press on the side button and hold for a few seconds. So press and hold. Now, after you see an Apple logo appear on the screen, then just let go of the button and your phone will turn on. And that's it. That's how you can turn on or turn off your iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.